Hi friends, we're here in the upper pump house at Shawnee Peak. We spent the last 3 months automating our pumping stations, both at the lake and in this mid-station pump house. We created two zones, a low pressure and a high pressure zone. We'll be able to do over 4,000 gallons a minute on our low pressure zone. This wouldn't be possible without the expertise of our good friends from Torrent Engineering, Mark Meadows and his partner, Joe Cousins, who have done the last 3 Olympics, and our on-site expert general manager, Ralph Lewis. And with that, I'll let Mark give a few words.
Well, I'll just say we're happy and excited to work with Chet and Ralph on this project and all the guys, and it's been a long time coming. So what we did was we reconfigured the main snowmaking pump house here, and kind of simplified it, made it achieve as much energy efficiency as we can. All the pumps are now on variable frequency drives, which can basically change the speed of the pumps and match the demand on the hill, which gives us the water we need at the most efficient point we can get it. Like Chet said, we've created 2 zones on the mountain, and that's also for efficiency. So, the snow guns need a certain pressure to operate properly, and so the lower mountain, we don't need quite as much pressure because we're not going up the hill as far. So we've got a lower zone that'll do 4,000 gallons a minute. And then an upper zone, we can change some valving automatically through the control. And then some of the pumps can do upper zone at a higher pressure. We can choose which zone we want to put which pump into, so we've got some flexibility and some redundancy. These pumps are supplied by pumps down at the lake. We created a new communication network in order to be able to see and operate the lake pump house remotely from here, which also it gives us some efficiency gains and saves the guys from running back and forth or positioning someone down there to sit and watch that and run. We can do it from here. And the last thing with the new control we can do is the guys can get on through a web browser and actually see what's going on remotely. So whether it's Chet or Ralph can do it from his office, Chet can do it from home if he wanted. We've set it up where now the control can be accessed through a website, and basically you can see real time what's going on. So we're excited to work with these guys. It's been fun, and can't wait to see it make some snow this winter.
I guess I'd just like to add lastly that it's been a fun project this summer to do with Mark and Chet, and I think it's a great statement for Shawnee Peak to put the resources into this snowmaking plant, going from a manual system that served them very well for 25 years, but now here in the future we're all automated, we're more efficient, it allows us to get up and running quickly and provide a better product for the guest. And that's about it. Thanks.